the hills and the seas, where the pelican wings. I'm a bird of the breeze, where the blue skies glow, above the sparkling waves, where the tide does flow. Families gather their laughter free on Mallacoota shores by the endless sea. A seal dives deep where the waters churn, by the lake's mouth where the currents turn. The surfers sway on the ocean's tune, in the golden light of an afternoon. Where the lake and the sea keep spirits high. Oh, the waves, the shore, where joy runs wide. This is Mallacoota, where dreams reside. Kayaks glide through the emerald sheen, on water soft where the air is so clean. Picnic blankets, a feast unfolds, stories shared like treasures told. A fisherman casts where the waters play, the line pulls taut in the shining bay. A fiddler plays by the shaded dunes, a child laughs along to its little ting tune. Gentle tide, the surfers ride where the ocean's wide. Still the spirit dances, the joy remains. Mallacoota summer, where magic reigns. Where the lake and the sea keep spirits high. Oh, the waves, the shore, where joy runs wide. This is Mallacoota, where dreams reside. The wind carries the day through Mallacoota's bays, where dreams always stay. Oh, this is the summer of 25.